Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
When your dishwasher is running but not cleaning the dishes properly, the culprit could be a clogged filter, spray arms, or the use of the wrong detergent. First, clean the filter located at the bottom of the dishwasher. Remove any debris to ensure water flow isn't obstructed. Next, inspect the spray arms for clogs and clean them as necessary to allow water to flow freely. Lastly, verify that you're using the correct type and amount of detergent. Implementing these steps can lead to cleaner dishes after every cycle.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.